In today's video, we share valuable tips and tricks to help you cultivate a successful garden and enjoy the freshest produce possible. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, there's something for everyone in this comprehensive guide to growing your own food. The foundation of a thriving garden begins with healthy soil. Invest in quality organic soil or compost and ensure proper drainage to give your plants the nutrients they need to flourish. Select plants that are well suited to your climate and growing conditions. Consider factors such as sunlight, water requirements, and space availability to maximize your garden's potential. To prevent soil depletion and minimize pests and diseases, practice crop rotation by alternating the types of plants you grow in each bed or area of your garden from season to season. Companion planting involves strategically placing complementary plants together to enhance growth and repel pests naturally. Research which plants work well together to create a harmonious garden ecosystem. Provide your plants with consistent, deep watering to encourage strong root development. Consider investing in drip irrigation or soaker hoses to minimize water waste and keep your garden hydrated efficiently. Instead of relying on harmful chemicals, use natural pest control methods such as companion planting, beneficial insects, and homemade organic sprays to keep pests at bay while preserving the health of your garden and the environment. Harvest your fruits and vegetables at their peak ripeness for the best flavor and nutritional value. Regularly check your garden for ripe produce to enjoy a continuous supply of fresh, homegrown goodness. Growing your own food is a rewarding journey that connects you to nature and promotes sustainability. By following these tips and tricks, you can cultivate a thriving garden and enjoy the satisfaction of bringing delicious, nutrient-rich produce from farm to table. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious backyard, there's no better time to start growing your own food and embracing the joys of self-sufficiency. So roll up your sleeves, dig in the dirt, and let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.